Hello student, Standard 7th English Medium, Subject Maths, Exercise 2.4, Question number 1. Find 12 divide 3 upon 4. Students, first we have to write 12 multi 4 upon 3. In place of divide, the sign will be multiplication, and then after divide given fractions write as a reciprocal of 3 upon 4, it's 4 upon 3. Now after that 3 4s are 12, so here cut 3 4s are 12 and afterward 4 into 4 equals to 16. Second, 14 divided by 5 upon 6. So first, in place of divide, convert into multiplication, and after divide 5 upon 6 write its reciprocal 6 upon 5. Afterward 14 multi 6 84 upon 5. Third number, 8 divided by 7 upon 3. So in place of divide, multi 8 multi 3 multi reciprocal of 7 upon 3, write 3 upon 7. So afterward, multiplication of numerator number 8 multi 3 equals to 24 upon 7. You can also convert in mixed fractions. Fourth number, 4 divide 8 upon 3. So here after 4 write multiplication, reciprocal of 8 upon 3, it's 3 upon 8. So after that, here if will be cut 4 to the 8, then the remaining terms fraction 3 upon 2. Number 5, 3 divided to integer 1 half, 1 upon 3. So first it's convert into improper fractions. So it's a 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. And then after write, instead of divide, if we convert here in multiplication, then after divide given fractions convert into its reciprocal 3 upon 7. So here 3 3s are 9 upon 7. Next, question number 3. Find 7 upon 3 divide by 2. So first 7 upon 3, and then after it's a multiplication sign and their reciprocal of 2, it's a 1 upon 2. Now multiplication of numerator, it's 7 1 ja 7 and its denominator multiplication 3 2 ja 6. So the answer is 7 upon 6. Now same like that, second number, 4 upon 9 divide 5. So 4 upon 9 multiply by reciprocal number of 5, it's 1 upon 5. So afterward 4 upon 9 multiply 45. Number 3, 6 upon 13 divide 7. So 6 upon 13 multiplication, reciprocal number of 7, it's 1 upon 7. Then after in numerator 6 multi 1 6 and in a denominator 7 multi 13 equals to 6 upon 91. Now same like that, question number 4, find both number are given here fractions, so divide it. So the rules is, first you have to write, instead of divide, multiplication sign, and the second things, after divide given number which is fractions or integer, so you can convert into its reciprocal number with the first number multiply. So 2 upon 5 multiply by reciprocal of 1 upon 2, it's 2 upon 1. Now 2 2s are 4 upon 5. Second number, divide both fractional number, 4 upon 9 divide by 2 upon 3. So 4 upon 9 multiply by reciprocal of 2 upon 3, it's a 3 upon 2. Now here divide 3 3s are 9 and 2 2s are 4. So the remaining terms it's 2 upon 3. So the same like that, third number question, 3 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 7. So first 3 upon 7 multiply by 7 upon 8, it's a reciprocal of 8 upon 7. So here 7 7 is cut. Now remaining 3 upon 8, it's the answer. And the last fourth number, it is given that first number in fractional, so mixed fractional. So first convert into improper fraction, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3, and multiply by reciprocal of 3 upon 5, it's a 5 upon 3. Now afterward 7 multiply 35 and upon 3 3s are 9. So the answer is 35 upon 9.